Your home is not just a place, it is an energy system. Let's align it. Your home follows the same law as the universe. In nature, nothing works randomly. Everything follows a cycle of creation. Water nourishes wood, wood feeds fire, fire creates earth, earth strengthens the structure, and structure contains the space. The supportive cycle is called the creation cycle. When this flow is healthy inside your home, growth feels natural, opportunities feel smooth, relationships feel stable. But when this flow breaks, life starts feeling like a struggle. Before correcting rooms, we must understand this universal law, because Vastu begins with understanding energy flow, not furniture placement. Tomorrow I will show you what happens when this cycle turns destructive.